Hello, my name is Ronan Sweeney from Simovation, and today I'm reaching you via our blended learning interactive simulation suite in South Brisbane, Queensland, and I'm delighted to share with you this extraordinary technology. What I wanted to do in the first instance is just really briefly explain that this is a laser projection based touch wall capable system. Today I'm talking to you from a space that is 3-walled, and if I move around I should be able to give you a much better idea of the scale and size of the room. But today I'm not really looking to talk in detail about the room itself, rather the content that's on the walls of the room. So what we use as part of the broader content that we bring into the space is some third-party applications, but one of the most powerful ones that we use is mosaic education. And what you can see behind me is just one of those particular subjects, and why I wanted to make this video and bring this to you today is really just to emphasize for teachers and people involved in prep, early learning, also primary school and secondary, that there's an array of content we can bring into these spaces that are touch capable and that are highly interactive. And just to give you an example of that, what I thought I might do is just show you one of the most basic quizzes that allows young learners to interact, critically think, and kind of follow the bouncing ball. It tests everything from literacy to mathematics, even biology, and as you move more into STEM subjects and into kind of a secondary school, the full gambit of STEM topics can also be covered. But to give you a simple idea of how this best works, if I show you here, we have a really simple menu, but if I pick a particular topic, like for example, say numbers, and we'll go into this, it'll ask some quiz questions, so you can have your group of learners here sitting in the space or standing and interacting with a teacher or a mentor guiding them as they're trying to answer these questions. But what it means is it's a truly experiential learning space, and they can collaborate, or it can be done on an individual pupil basis. So here we go, a couple of simple quick quiz questions, and then I'll wrap up. How many numbers are there on the wall clock? So as I turn back and I look at the wall clock, and basically it's asking me to really count the numbers. So what we can see is it's 1 to 12 all the way around. So I'm going to come back and answer that. I'm going to pick option A, and it looks like it's correct. What should happen now is the room will reconform for the next question, which is how many petals do the pink flowers have? Okay, well, let's have a look at the pink flowers. And the pink flowers are over here, and they're over here as well. So if you can see clearly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go with 5 petals on the flowers, and it looks like that's probably, if I'm correct, option B, which is correct. And one last quiz question. The room will conform again for the next quiz question, which is how many pupils wear glasses in the classroom? So now when I turn around, I have a pretty good view of all of our pupils here. So we have 3 at the front. Michael is 4, Lisa is 5. So we have 5 pupils wearing glasses that we can see. And in fact, if I needed to get a slightly better look at some of these other students, I could use my hand, but I'm using the telescopic laser pointer, which for teachers, mentors, facilitators, this could be an ideal resource to use. But let's answer the question, which I think I said was 5, and I'm correct. So rather than going on with further quizzes, I thought I would just wrap up, but it's enough to say that you could see probably the power of the BLISs system and using a third-party content provider's content. We also build content that's purpose-built for this environment. If you need to know more, please reach out to simovation.com.au, and we look forward to hopefully talking to you at some point. Thank you.